Nowadays, some companies try to implement IoT their factories for the purpose of improvement of their productivities. IoT stands for the Internet of Things. Okay, so IT engineer should understand the details of the production process. Okay, so today let me share the production process. So by manufacturing the bicycle today. Okay, and here the today's agendas. Okay, the purpose of this lesson to understand the BOMs, MRP, the approach of the production. Okay, so next slide. So let's begin with the BOM. So BOM stands for the bill of materials. Okay, so imagine manufacture the bicycles. Okay, to manufacture one bicycle, we have the 2 wheels and also 1 frames is necessary. Okay, to manufacture one bicycle. And so the next one, to manufacture 1 wheel, we have the 1 rims and 1 tire and 36 spokes is required to manufacture 1 wheel. So you can see the multiple level, okay, to manufacture 1 bicycle. And next, so we have the approach of the production. Okay, the first one is make to stock. Make to stock will be applied for the daily grocery or daily food, which you can get in the supermarket or wholesales. Okay, so because the daily grocery or daily food, we don't have specific requirements by each customer, by each user. Okay, so the mass production. Okay, so we have the demand forecast, and depending on the demand forecast, we manufacture the massively and then make it stock. Okay, stock, and from the stock sell it to the customers. This is the make to stock approach. So next, build to order, and we have the 3 types of the approach for the build to order. One is make to order. Okay, make to order will be applied to automotive, okay, or bicycle or home appliance. Okay, so because so we have the production cycle. Okay, please imagine the vehicle, okay, automotive car. Okay, so we need to update the like every 5 years of the car model. Okay, every 5 years we change the slightly car model, design or specification, and release to the market. Okay, so this is the make to order. Okay, so next one is assemble to order. Assemble to order will be applied to laptop, okay, PC. Okay, so please imagine, so the like parts of the laptop is available. Okay, but until we receive the order from the customer user, we don't start the assemble. Okay, just parts is available, but the final product, final finished good is not available yet. Okay, until we receive the order. Okay, the user decide like a CPU specification, HDD specification, or screen, or keyboard, battery, so blah blah blah. So once the user decide the specification by each parts, and then after that, the company receive the orders. Okay, after that, immediately start to the assemble and then ship to the customer. Okay, this is assemble to order. The last one is engineer to order. Engineer to order is everything from zero. Okay, the whole design, okay, decided by the customers. Okay, design and quantity and also deadline. So everything is decided, okay, from the customer. Once everything is clear, the company start to manufacture. That is the engineer to order. Okay, so engineer to order, the approach will be applied to the like a nuclear power plant, so big plant. Okay, this is a totally custom made. Okay. Next, production process. Okay, so production process. So the first one is production planning and also production control. So production planning before starting the production activity itself. So let me focus on the production planning only. So we have the 4 steps. So first one is demand forecast. Demand forecast, you know. So according to the market research, customer requirement, so we forecast how many quantity of the model by each product can be sold. So we need to focus. So this is the first step. And the second one is master production schedule. So based on the forecast demandings, so we need to create the the schedule. Okay. So the next one is MRP. MRP stands for the material requirement planning. Okay. And the last one is plant order. So, okay. We have the 4 step with the production plannings. Okay. So MRP, let's go to in details in the next slide. So again, so MRP stands for the material requirements planning, and also you can see the video material of the bicycle again. Okay, so the basic concept of the material requirement planning is compare required quantity and available quantity, and so you can identify the which part is short. So bolt 150 is short, not 200 short. Okay, so the 50 pieces for the bolt and 200 pieces for nut should be purchased from the suppliers. Okay, so the MR process can be done in the software application systems, okay, IT systems like ERP systems. That's all for the today lesson. Here the next lesson topics. Okay, so we have the production. I don't explain the production control for the time constraint. So next lessons I will explain the production controls more details. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.